Zoom my lashes with me as I tell you what I've learned on YouTube as a new YouTuber and gaining over 200 followers, like basically in 2 or 3 days. So, okay, first things first, if you're going to be on YouTube, you have to have an actual passion to be on YouTube. You have to want to record, you have to want to post, you have to want to be consistent, and like all those things. So, the first thing that I learned is if you want a bunch of subscribers and you want subscribers fast, everybody says, oh, be consistent. Yes, you do need to be consistent. However, you need to start posting shorts. You need to start posting shorts. So something that I've done is I have pretty much went through TikTok, found the most funniest TikToks or things that have went viral from other people, and I sit there, I go to Snaptic and remove the watermark, and then I upload it to YouTube. Now, even though this is a fast way to pretty much gain subscribers, understand that you're still going to lose subscribers as you actually post the content that you want to post, because they followed you based on whatever reel it was that you posted, or like whatever the reason was, and your page isn't consistent with that. Now, my plan to blow up on YouTube is basically to continue posting reels, because reels allows you to gain subscribers much faster as opposed to you just uploading a video on whatever it is you wanted to record and put on YouTube, which you 1000% should do. Like, post the content you want to post, be yourself, because that's how you'll find your people and the community that you want to be a part of or like want to engage in. But we trying to get monetized at the same time. Like, we're not just doing this for absolutely nothing. Like, we want to get monetized. So I post reels. Like, I post maybe anywhere from 6 to 12 reels per day, because to get monetized you need about 3 million watch hours, and that sounds like a lot, and it kind of is, but it's only a lot if your reels are not like going viral. So I actually started posting reels during like the Christmas time, and my reels kind of did pretty freaking well. I'm at 90,000 watch hours right now, and that to me was like, what the bloody? So I'm posting reels. I'm also posting my content, and honestly, also promote yourself. Like, you have to promote yourself. You can't like want to do social media and not promote yourself. Don't worry about being annoying. Don't worry about who is writing you like, damn, this is all you post. That just weeds out the people who's really and truly not for you. Like, they shouldn't be following you anyways, because what is social media for if not posting content? Now, I used to be scared of pretty much posting and like people from my hometown, and just I hated Instagram. But I said fuck that, and I started just posting. And honestly, as you post for YouTube, you end up like really falling in love with yourself. Like, I'm posting and I don't know, it's just like I love watching myself. Like, I think it's so amazing. At first it was so cringy. It's like, what the hell? What is this? What is going on? And then it was just like, dang, I love watching myself. Like, if I can sit there and watch other people, I can sit there and watch myself. So that's what I do all day now. I watch myself, and I watch The Equalizer. Really good show on Netflix. But yeah, back to the tips. Post reels. To get your subscribers fast, posting reels is one of the best ways, and like highly recommended, because you'll get subscribers the fastest. 1 second. The lashes are being annoying. And 5, you have to be consistent. Like, it's such a cliche to say, but you really do have to be consistent. I've decided to actually be consistent on YouTube, and I'm actually seeing the difference in me being consistent and when I just was posting. Like, if you start going viral and YouTube starts pushing you out, and you just decide to like stop posting and you go ghost for like 2 weeks or a month, like they're gonna forget about you and you're gonna have to put all that work in all over again. Like, so yeah, just wanted to share some of the things that I've been learning since I've been on my YouTube journey, because even though I started the page in 2020, I really am just now actually being active on it and like posting my videos, growing my channel, and like, yeah, I highly recommend that people start a YouTube with this whole TikTok ban thing that's going on, because really and truly, what's the next app? Like, I don't want to hear Lemonade. Lemonade is still part of TikTok. I don't want to hear Instagram. Instagram is trash. And I'm not interested in the Clapper. Clapper looks like it's from, like, I don't even know, maybe like back when Skonix and MySpace was a thing. So yeah, for me, I just think that sometimes you don't have to go looking for something new. You can just work with what you already have. And I think YouTube is definitely an amazing place to grow your channel, grow your network, and find your community, because one, the monetization is probably the best out there that I've come across so far. And two, it just makes the most sense. Like, it just makes the most sense. But that's just my opinion. So here are ways that I am growing my channel and that are actually working as a small YouTuber. I feel like when YouTubers who have like thousands and thousands, like hundreds of thousands of followers tells us like what they did, it like sticks, but then it's like, but you have all these followers, so the rules aren't the same. So take it from somebody who's I'm not a small YouTuber. I'm just a new YouTuber, so my numbers aren't and all the way up there yet. But yeah, this is just some things that have been working for me, and I hope they work for you too.